This process has been developed by Cougar Chemical to sanitize and disinfect school buses in between routes to reduce the transmission of illnesses caused by communicable viruses like influenza and COVID-19. We will be using a product registered with the Environmental Protection Agency and recommended by the Center for Disease Control for reducing the spread of disease. We will be performing this process before we run each route. At the bus depot, fill your bottle by simply inserting the fill hose of the AccuDose machine into the bottle and pressing the button. The disinfectant product will be automatically mixed. Screw on the provided trigger sprayer and set the adjustable nozzle to a coarse spray. Spray the product onto the high contact touch points, giving special attention to handrails, seats, and windows. If there's dirt, soil, debris present, you can wipe up with a towel but reapply the product. No wiping is required. Allow the product to air dry. Repeat the process before each route. Each time the process is repeated, it should be used about 6 ounces of chemical and take less than 3 minutes to perform. You should wear personal protective equipment according to label instructions.